finance fees, and then there is an operating lease.
There are internal auditors everywhere. Then how did that Vijay Mallya fraud even happen?
Gross profit will give me the sales.
Are internal auditors as independent as external auditors?
We have a foreign exchange market. Now, what do you mean by foreign exchange market? Suppose you plan to go on a trip, right? Let's say you want to go to Dubai. Can you use rupees over there? Of course not, right? You need to exchange the currency. You need to go to the bank where there is a foreign exchange department and you can exchange the currencies. So, foreign exchange market is global, decentralized or over-the-counter market for trading of currencies. So, here what happens? We buy and sell different currencies. So, these are the different types of financial markets which are available to an investor to diversify their funds and also minimize and balance the risk as a whole. So, now that we've understood the different types of financial markets and what are they involved in, what we need to next understand is the money market, because money market is a very famous term and quite important in the finance world, because money market, they deal in the short term funds, right? So they deal with your short term funds which is going to mature in less than a year. So they help you with. So what is the role of the money market? Let's understand the roles of money market. They help in creating liquidity, right? It helps you in creating liquidity to companies. So it provides liquidity to whom? To banks, to companies, to pension funds. So there are so many companies which invest in the money market, and also it helps the local government authorities, interbank markets for bank and building your increases the liquidity of the firm, because it gives you that opportunity to immediately sell the asset and convert the asset into cash, right? So that's about your money markets. Now, what are some of the instruments that are dealt in the money market? As we all know, stocks and bonds are dealt in the capital market, whereas in money market, what do we find? In the money market, what are the money market instruments? You have your certificate of deposits. So we call it as instruments in the money market would be, you have CDs. What are your CDs? CDs are certificate of deposits. It is a time deposit with a fixed term up to 5 years, like how we have FDs, right? It's similar to your fixed deposits, but the only difference is that here the term is quite fixed, and also it's fully negotiable, and also it is commonly sold by banks and financial institutions. So it is issued by companies. And then we have treasury bills. Now this is quite famous in the US and UK, not very much in India. So treasury bills, the moment you hear this word treasury, it means that these are some of the securities that are being issued by the government. Alright, then you have commercial papers. Now, commercial paper is yet another money market instrument which is issued by companies. Alright, it is again issued by companies but with high credit rating. Like, let's say I start a company and in 1 week I cannot issue a commercial paper. Why? Because there are certain conditions to issue commercial paper. It has to be, there are certain criteria that the turnover of the company should be so and so crores and the credit rating of the company should be really good, and only then you can issue a commercial paper. So only suitable for these large amounts, because they have high issue cost also. Because if you're issuing a commercial paper also, it includes a cost, right? So that's about it.